The Secret of the Moonlit Night. Once upon a time, in a quiet village where the stars always sparkled and the nights were calm, lived a little girl named Aidana. She lived with her mother and grandmother, and she loved to gaze at the night sky and dream. One night, something extraordinary, and then her hand and wore a shiny little space suit. "Hello," Adana whispered. "Hi there," the tiny being replied cheerfully. "I am Sparkly Beam. I come from the star realm. My spaceship crashed and I need to help to fix it." Adana blinked, wondering if she was dreaming, but the warmth and light coming from Sparkle Beam felt very real. Without hesitation, she nodded. "I'll help you." The two of them spent the night gathering little sticks, leaves, and a shiny stone from the forests. Sparklebeam explained that his spaceship ran on the energy of kindness and imagination. With every smile and helping hand, the ship glowed brighter. By early morning, the spaceship was repaired and ready. Sparklebeam turned to Adana with a grateful smile. "Thank you, Adana. You have a kind heart and a brave spirit. Now you are forever a friend of the stars." He placed a tiny glowing star button in her hand. "If you ever need me or just want to say hi, press this. I'll come." Then, with a whoosh of stardust, Sparklebeam took off into the sky, his ship disappearing among the morning clouds. Adana returned home, her heart full of wonder. That night, as she lay in bed, the little star button glowed softly under her pillow. From that day on, every time she looked at the night sky, she smiled because she knew magic is real for those who believe. The end.